I still have trouble believing this myself. I had a fairly serious motorcycle accident about 12 years back and broke both bones in my leg. And when the surgeon put me back together, he put my left foot on with about 30 degrees outboard direction. So I had what I used to call my 3 mile leg. It worked, but after 3 miles, the ankle would, the knee would ache incorrectly. Um, and I have now got a 10 mile leg. I don't know how this has happened, but my foot has come back to pretty much being where it should be. And I think it must be the breathing, but I just don't know how it's happened.
We've got quite a few cases where recovery from surgery has improved. The repair after accidents hasn't quite repaired properly. And then when people do the breathing method, the repair process gets going again. And that accident, the result of the accident improves back to normal.